For our new movie. We don't have a name for it yet, but here it is. The time microwave or whatever. We're getting ready for the first stages of building. It's gonna be awesome.
Hey, you guys got any burritos?
Yeah, sure, but we don't got no outlet.
Yeah, well,
Oh my god. Great fun, guys.
I was winning!
Dude, I was winning. How could that happen?
Here. Guys, you gotta come check this out. Come on. Guys, check it out. I made a time machine.
That thing looks like a piece of crap. Does it
No, it's
work?
not. Watch this. Come on, you stupid thing. See, now let's see what you've done. Let me try it again. My machine works. Oh my god.
Dude, check the date. Where are we?
This is January 2nd, 1945.
Hey, what's that sign over there? It says, Auschwitz, work is liberty. That's
the
tied.
Holocaust. Dude, we're in a concentration camp.
Oh.
Where is everyone? Man, there's all the people.
Did you know that more than 6 million Jews died during the Holocaust?
Man, that's interesting. And did you know millions of other races, including homosexuals and gypsies, were also killed by the Aryan race?
Down with corporate America!
That's the wrong movie, dude. And, did you know the Holocaust was called the final solution, which meant the end of and the wipeout of all the Jews? That's pretty interesting, huh?
Look, here comes an SS officer.
Did you know an SS officer used to beat the Jews senseless in the concentration camp?
You're not allowed to have anything with great value. Hand it over. Forget you.
Yeah. Cory, come on, hurry.
I almost got it, guys. I think there.